use a for a singular noun with consonant. Okay. We use an for a vowel word. What read the sentence, children? Wed
wants to be an emperor.
The article we use is an. This article we use an. An umpire. How we going to spell an umpire?
Umpire.
What is the article we used? An. Isn't it? An umpire. How we going to spell umpire? What is the first letter that is?
Umpire.
U. We will not spell
You.
Okay, but still here we have to use an. Okay. Observe those words, children. Adult, X-ray, high-res. We use an before the vowel noun. Okay. Adult is a noun. What is the first letter starts for adult? That is isn't it? A is a vowel. So here we have to use an. Instead of a adult, here we have to use an adult. Okay. Next, second example is X-ray. How are we going to spell X-ray? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. A is a vowel. So we have to write an. Okay. X-ray. How we will spell it again? Yeah. Isn't it? X-ray. Okay.
X-ray.
Before that, we have to use the article word an. Okay. And X-ray. Come to the next third example. What is that? An high-res.
And high-res.
Here, H will
And high-res.
Yes. Okay. In second standard also you have studied one example, har. See, we will not write a har. We will write an har.
And high.
Our har is wrong. We have to use an har. How we will spell, children? Har. See, what is the first letter we pronounce? Har. O.
H.
We come like
Har.
O.
H.
We come like O. So we have to use an as an article word for har. High-res. See here.
High-res.
Silent.
High-res. Your voice is breaking.
Silent letter. We will spell it as iris. Okay.
High-res. Ma'am, your voice is
breaking. Vowel letter. So what is the article word we have to use for iris? That is an.
And. Ma'am, your voice is breaking. And comes before singular noun that begin with a vowel sound or a mute.
Isn't it?
H.
Elephant. E is a vowel letter. So what we written for this? We written a consonant word an. In her, H is mute. That is the silent letter, which we have to use as an article word. Okay, children? And are and high-res. Okay. Now you are getting where to use a and where to use an. Okay. If
Yes, ma'am.
Single word, singular letter, noun, then we have to use a. Okay. We use singular
Okay, ma'am.
for words. The article word we use is an. Okay. And should come before singular nouns that begin with vowel sound or mute with H. Okay. A comes before singular noun which begins with consonant sound. See, other than vowels A, E, I, O, U. Other than this, we have to use the article A for a noun before. Okay, children, have you all understood about where to use a and where to use an?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. We'll go to next.
Ma'am, I didn't understand, ma'am.
We tell and an, as and two articles. And an are indefinite articles. Okay. And an, they are indefinite articles. We use this to speak someone or something for first time. See, if I tell an apple, if I say an apple, that is first time I am telling. Okay. If I repeat using apple, apple is a very sweet. Apple is very sweet fruit. I like to eat apple. For all
Yes,
the
ma'am.
time, I will not use repeating an apple, an
A
apple.
apple.
Okay. Instead of that, we use the. Okay. So here we have to use a or and to speak of someone or something for first time. Okay. If you continue speaking the same vowel or consonant word repeatedly, if you are using this, then you have to use the. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is this? What picture you can
The
see?
moon, the sun.
The moon, the sun.
Sun.
Here we can't use a moon or a
A
sun.
sun.
Okay, that is wrong. The moon or
That's an
the sun we will not tell. Why? Because that is the only one kind. Is there any other moon? Is there any other sun? No, there is
No,
only
ma'am.
one. There is only one sun.
One sun
ma'am.
and one moon, many stars.
There is only
Yes,
one moon
ma'am.
and one sun. So we have to use the moon, the sun, the sky. Okay. Here we will not use a moon, a sky. That is wrong. Okay. Yes. See where we have to use the. We use the when there is
Only one such thing.
Okay. Sun is the only thing.
Yes, ma'am.
There is no other sun. There is only one.
Yes, ma'am.
There is no other sun.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
we have to use the. Okay. If there is only one such thing means then we have to use the.
The
Apple is only one? No. Other than one
Yes,
apple, we
ma'am.
can take many apples. So we write an apple. Okay. There is only one elephant? No, there are many
No.
elephants.
elephant.
So we can't write the elephant. So what? At first time, if you are using this, you have to use an elephant. Everyone understand, children, where to use and the?
And the yes, ma'am.
Yes. Read the sentence, children. What you can see in the
Yes.
picture?
The sun.
The
Yes,
sun
ma'am.
is
Sun
hot.
is hot.
The moon.
The moon
sun is
shines
hot.
in the
The
sky.
moon
Moon shines in
The moon
sky.
shines in the sky.
The book is on the
Is on the
table.
On the table.
Table.
Here, what is the article word we used? The. The
The.
is the article word which we used before a noun. Sun is a noun, isn't it? Sun
Yes, ma'am.
is a noun. So before that noun, what article we have to use?
Table.
The.
The.
Yes, moon.
Yes, ma'am.
Moon is also a noun. Moon is a noun. So the
Noun.
article we have to use before the moon is the.
The.
Sky. Sky is also a noun. Before the sky, what the article we use? The sky. Aarti, you should open up your mouth. You should speak. Okay? If I ask question, you must
Okay,
speak to the
ma'am.
teacher.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, book. Book is a
The
noun.
Book.
Book is a noun.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
article we have to use before book is
The book is on the table.
Table.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
book is on the table.
Table.
This
The
is
book
a
is on
different
the
article used to point out a noun.
Yes. See, a and an are indefinite article, and the is the definite article. Okay.
Article.
In articles, there are
Used
two
to
kinds.
find
In articles, there are two kinds.
Articles,
Definite article
definite
Indefinite article.
Indefinite.
The is
A or
And
used
or
as
we use.
indefinite.
we use
Definite we use the.
or
General things, specify things. Articles.
on. We use the we use a
Yes, in articles there are two different kinds, definite articles and indefinite articles. A or an are called as indefinite articles, means the things which we use general. Okay, for those kind of nouns we use article A or an. Okay, for definite article, see, the sky, the moon, that is a specific thing. The sun means I am specifying the sun, the sky, that is a definite, that is a specific thing, we call it as a definite article. See, here we use the when it is clear which person, place, animal or thing. Okay, see, here we can use person name, place name, animal name or thing name. All these are the four kinds which we have studied in noun, isn't it? Person, place, animal or thing. Before these nouns, we have to use an article words a, an or the. Okay, children? Yes. And also we use these four kinds which has been mentioned a second time. See, first I will show you one example. We have a test tomorrow. We have a test tomorrow. Test is a noun, isn't it? Test is a noun which I am using a singular noun for the first time. Okay, test is a singular noun which I am using for first time. So here I have to use an article A. Okay, we have a test tomorrow. If I am keep on continuing the test for second time or third time, if I am keep on repeating that means I should not use a. I have to use the. Okay. If I start using the noun test for second time, third time and fourth time in the same sentence means we have to write the. Okay. See the second sentence. We want to do well in the test. We have a test tomorrow. In that I used a for a first time. Okay. See the second sentence. We want to do well in the test. Here I should not write a test. Okay. Here I am using the test for second time. Okay. Here I am using test noun as a second time. So I have to write article the. Have you understanding, children? If you are using a noun, consonant noun for first time means then you have to use a. If you keep on repeating the same singular noun means then you have to use the. Okay. We want to do well in the test. I have written test very nicely. The test is very easy. A test is very easy, that is wrong. Okay, we have to tell the test is very easy. I scored good marks in the test. I scored good marks in the test. See, I keep on repeating the test, singular noun for 2 or more times. So, I am using the. I scored good marks in the test. The test is very easy. See, only at first time you are using noun singular means then we have to write a. Okay, if you keep on repeating the same singular noun word means you have to write the article the. Understand, children? Everyone understand? Yes, so show your thumb. Show your thumb if you understand. Mahendra, you didn't understand? Yes, good, Kritya. Pratik, Himisha. Yes, all are showing thumb. Joshna, you are not there? Yes, you understood where to use a and an. Yes, it is easy. I'll show you some other example, children. See, we use the when naming a noun that refers to an entire group of its kind. See, a dog is an animal. A dog is an animal. What kind of dog? Dog is a kind of animal. To which group it belongs to? Dog belongs to the group called animal, isn't it? An elephant lives in forest. Okay. The whale is a mammal. Whale is an mammal means whale which belongs to the group called as mammal. Okay. The whale is a mammal means whale which belongs to a group called as mammal. So here we have to use the. Instead of a, we have to use the. Why we have to use the? Because it is a kind which belongs to a group. A dog is an animal. Dog is an animal, isn't it? To which group it belongs to? It belongs to a group called animal. Okay, children? Yes. The articles a, an, and the can be used before an adjective. Okay, that comes before a noun. See, here what I written? A boy. A boy. This is an article word. This is a noun. So I can tell how is this boy? A brilliant boy. Observe the board, children. A brilliant boy. Isn't it? Can you all see the board? A brilliant boy. What kind of boy he is? He is a brilliant boy. Means this adjective, it is expressing how that boy is. It is expressing how that boy is. A brilliant boy. Means here I am using an, we can use adverb and adjectives before a noun. See, boy is a noun. Brilliant. Like the same way we can use adverbs and adjectives also. So, before here I used a. See the example. Our school has got a new captain. See, captain is a noun. Isn't it? Captain is a noun. How whether the captain is old captain or new captain means it is expressing an adjective word, that is new. New is an adjective word which saying how the captain is. Captain is new. He is a new captain, isn't it? Our school has got a new captain. Only one. Okay, only one captain is coming. So here we have to write a new captain. Okay. Before captain, what is the word we use? New. New is an adjective. So before that adjective, we written a. A is an article. Understanding, children? Our school has got a new captain. Okay, a new captain. So here I written a first time. That is a singular noun which can be used before consonant. Isn't it? N is a consonant. Captain, noun, that C. Isn't it? Captain starts with the letter C. So before that, we have to use a. That is an article which we can be used before a noun and adjective. Okay, come to next sentence, children. The new captain was elected last week. Here we should not use a new captain. Here we should not use a captain. Why? Because new captain, that is the words which I am repeating second time. Okay, I am using the same word second time. So here I have to write the new captain was elected last week. Okay, come to third sentence, children. He is an intelligent boy. So intelligent boy, that is the singular noun which I am using first time. I is a vowel, so here we have to write an intelligent boy. Okay, children, see whatever the consonant noun or vowel letter noun starts, before that we have to write a and or for first time. Okay, if you are using the same noun for second time or third time, means then we can use the. Understand, children? Show thumb if you understand how to use the. Yes, for singular noun, if it is vowel, then we have to use and. If it is a consonant, then we have to use a. If we are repeating the same noun for second time and third time, means we have to use the. Okay. Yes, what is that? Taj Mahal. What is that? That is Taj Mahal. This is, you see here, the is used before the names of famous building. Okay. Here, what is the picture you can see? That is building, isn't it? It may be any kind of building. The palace, the Taj Mahal. What is this? Ocean and sea. See, the names begin with ocean name or sea name also. We have to write the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean. Okay, here we should not write a Indian Ocean. That is wrong. Okay, we have to write the Indian Ocean. Okay, why? Because that is the only thing. Okay, see, for the famous building name starts, means before that famous building name we have to write the. Before the ocean name or sea name also we have to write the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean. For rivers, river names also, the Ganga, the Yamuna. Ganga and Yamuna, what are those? Those are rivers. Rivers name, isn't it? Ganga, Yamuna, Kaveri. So many river names are there, isn't it? To write river names, before that also we use article the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Kaveri. Okay. Next, again we have to use the before mountain ranges. The Mount Everest. Have you all seen in picture? Mount Everest. The Mount Everest. We will not say a Mount Everest. That is wrong. Okay, we have to spell the Mount Everest. See, any book names or newspaper names also starts, means before that now we have to use the Hindu, the Times of India. Okay, the Hindu, that is a book name which starts with the article. Next, newspaper. See, children, don't touch your mobile screen. It will get scratched on the screen. Okay, don't touch your mobile. Sit straight, fold your hands, sit straight, listen carefully what I am teaching. Okay, everyone, take out your hands and sit straight. Varsha, sit straight. Why you are touching phone? You should not touch phone. Children, sit straight. Don't do mute, unmute, all these things. And you have to complete all your work, eating or drinking water, everything before the class starts. Okay. While class is going, you have to listen carefully what the teacher is teaching. Getting? Okay. Before the book names and newspaper names also, we have to use an article, the. Okay. The Hindu, the Bible, the Times of India. Okay. Yes. Now, did you all understand, children, how to use a, an, and the? Have you all understood, children? Show them if you all understand. If you're having any doubts, means show me down thumb. So I will unmute for those students and they can ask your doubts. Okay. If you're having any doubts, show down thumb so that I will unmute those students. You can ask me doubts. Yes, Hetanshi. Yes, Hetanshi. Now you can ask your doubt, dear.
Oh, ma'am, you gave that one, ma'am.
Which example, dear?
Ma'am, I can't hear you, ma'am.
You come near where the network can reach your device, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice was breaking from the first only, ma'am.
See, for all children, it is clear, ma'am. Maybe
Ma'am,
this
no.
network issue near your house.
Yeah.
Yes, Kritiya, you have also doubt? Ask me there.
Ma'am, for the Hindu Indian newspaper, we should use the only, ma'am.
Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Before the names of book starts, see the Hindu, the Bible, the Quran. Okay, newspaper means the Times of India, the Hindustan, like that. See, before the ocean name starts, rivers name, sea name, and book name, mountains, ranges, and deserts. The Sahara. That is a desert name. We can't spell a desert. We have to spell the desert because that is the only one. Okay? Desert names, books names, and newspaper names. Before using that, we have to use an article, the. And in homework, today I will send you few exercises. Okay, by writing answer only I will send you children so that you can practice those things.
Ma'am, we should write 5 times, ma'am.